This is probably the rattiest of all the farm fans we have. This one's another Superlectric. It's model 20655. The knob went AWOL a long time ago, so this is how we're going to have to do it. It's a 2-speed fan as opposed to a 3 like all the other ones we have. Here's high. Runs just fine, it's just a little noisy. Underneath there, it's more low. A little bit of run out. That's not good. It's going to click up to high. Spin down. We haven't used this one in a while, so you know. So we've got a bunch of missing slats in the grill. Whereas our other Superlectric is pristine. There's no broken slats. That's why it stays in the house. Okay, let's get you started up from the back. This one's the one that sounds awesome when it starts. Got a few more fans to show, but these are all the really old ones we have.